Welcome, my fellow flavor enthusiasts, to our culinary laboratory. Today, we embark on a journey into the enchanting world of cooking chemistry. Behold the Maillard reaction. The sizzle and browning you hear and see is the result of amino acids and sugars dancing together, forming a symphony of flavors and aromas. It's like a caramelization ballet for your taste buds. Emulsification, my friends, is the secret behind creamy dressings and sauces. By breaking down the barriers between oil and water molecules, we achieve a harmonious blend that tantalizes the palate. Ah, leavening agents. These little wizards release carbon dioxide gas into our dough, causing it to rise and transform into that delightful, fluffy masterpiece we call bread. It's like a chemistry-powered pillow for our